Boys and girls, welcome back to the Yellow Bus Guy Garage. I got a little bit of an update here. Today's a little bit unusual. We have a 2-hour delay on the start of school. Ordinarily, it's too dark for me to film this time of day. I'm between my high school and my elementary runs. So ordinarily, I cannot film this time of day, this time of year, because it's just too dark. So there's no point in doing it. But anyway, just got done with a high school run. And that went fine. Reason why the last few weeks, 13 days, 14 days, we've had substantially colder weather than we're used to. It's been below zero, not below zero, but below freezing for the last 2 weeks. And the ground is frozen to down like 4 inches or something like that. And the pavement temperatures are really cold. And the temperature shot up yesterday to 40 degrees or so from about 12 when I got up. And then it started to rain late this evening or yesterday evening. And there's some icing issues. You see along the edge of the road there, you can see a little bit of icing. But for the most part, most of the roads that are being traveled are clear. See, this parking lot's had nobody in it, and then there's no ice in it. But some places there has been ice. But anyway, so they delayed school for 2 hours to make sure it'd be as safe as it can be to get the kids home. And so that's where we are today. So it's after 9 o'clock, and ordinarily I'm done and back home by now. But anyway, in a few minutes we're going to start the elementary run and go get them home or to school. And that's that for today. But you can see it's just a gray, nasty, wet. It's not very cold, you know. It's in the upper 30s, mid 30s right now, and it feels great compared to 10 or 12. I've had wind chills way below zero. Had a really good Christmas and New Year, except for being sick the entire time. And that's one of the reasons why the videos have been slow coming. It's been I've been sick and real bad sinus. I had a pink eye, of all things. I can't imagine where I caught pink eye from. And so this has been the last couple of days. I felt halfway decent, so I just haven't felt like messing with making videos. And just thought I'd make a little bit of an update. Had a nice Christmas. Got to see family. Except for being sick, it was pretty good. And I really don't have any news other than that. And this is kind of a weird day too, with it being a 2-hour delay. So tell me, what's the deal with your school districts when you have bad weather? Does your district do delay days, or does it do just cancel, or what are some of the procedures that you guys are experiencing? How do they handle that in your part of the country? I'm interested to know about that. And our startup crews for the last, we just been back this is our 4th day back from school since Christmas break. Last week was a 3-day week, and every single day they had the crews come in and they'd start the buses and get the defrosters going. And there's mechanics at each compound because temps were so low. We're talking single digits. And but anyway, they got all the buses started. They make sure that they're in good shape and can get the job done. And the mechanics are there to get them started if they're hard to start. And they did it again today, and which is kind of surprising because it's well up into the 30s, and the buses have no problem starting in this kind of weather. But anyway, let me know, and drop something in the comments, and let me know how you guys how your all's districts handle that. Anyway, hope you guys had a Merry Christmas. We'll have some more videos coming here shortly. And so the weather's supposed to improve dramatically this next week. They're talking about highs near 60 by late week. So, woohoo, looking forward to that. Alright, catch you guys later. Like, subscribe, stay warm, stay dry, and catch y'all later.